everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm participating in a fall challenge that has been issued by the Holiday Cookie Diva. I'm going to look down so I get the name of it exactly right. It is called the Cute and Cozy Decor Fall Treats and Snacks Challenge. And I will put the rules for the challenge down below, but one of them was that you had to have a snack or treat in some kind of bowl. And so I'm going to show you how to make a fall treat and then how I am displaying that treat for this challenge. Please be sure to check out the other participants. I'll put a link to the playlist down below when it's available, and also check out the Holiday Cookie Diva's channel. I'm sure you'll find her very enjoyable. She has a very infectious laugh, and she's putting forth a lot of challenges for the fall, and I'm hoping to participate in most of them, because fall is one of my most favorite times of the year. I love decorating for fall. I love baking for fall. So I am really looking forward to participating in the challenges that she has set forth. But now, stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to make a fall snack of spiced pecans. For this recipe of the spiced pecans, you will need the following ingredients: a 1/4 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of molasses. Normally I would use the blackstrap molasses because it's lower in carb, but I don't seem to have any on hand right now. You will also need 1/2 cup of sweetener. I am going to be using this monk fruit sweetener. You could also use straight erythritol or swerve. Those tend to have more of a cooling sensation than this monk fruit one does, so I'm going to use that. You will need, I think I said 1/2 cup of that. You'll need a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and I love cinnamon, so sometimes I put in a little extra. And then you'll need 2 cups of raw unsalted pecans, and I just got these pecans at Trader Joe's, and this pack says it has approximately 2 cups in it. So what you're going to do is preheat your oven to 325 degrees. You're going to melt the 1/4 cup of butter and then stir the molasses into it. Then you're going to add the sweetener and the cinnamon, and then you're going to put the pecans into that mixture and toss them. Then you'll spread them on a greased baking sheet or greased baking mat, and you're going to bake for 20 minutes. Then you're going to, once they're done, you're going to use a rubber or silicone spatula to toss them and allow them to cool before you put them in an airtight container until you're ready to serve them. So I am going to put those together, and then I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Okay, so here's a look at the pecans just as they've come out of the oven. I still need to stir them. One tip I would give you though is I would probably use a baking sheet with a lip on it next time, because as the coating melted, it did run off the side on this edge over here. So if you decide to go ahead and make these, I would recommend a baking sheet that has a lip on it, as I said. And here's a look at my finished fall cozy treat display. I have it set up on this counter in the wet bar in my dining room area. And as you can see, I have started with one of my silver-plated trays, which I've then covered with some leaf scatter from the Dollar Tree. I have used one of my little Target birds as my fall decor item. And then I have placed the spiced pecans in this apothecary jar, which is essentially my bowl. And then I have just added a bow to the lid of the jar. Let me go around the back so you can see here, which I've tied on in the back here. And so that my jar decor ties in with the rest of my dining room decor, I have added these red ginkgo leaves that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I had those in another haul video. And then this red clip-on pumpkin that I found at the Dollar Tree the last time I went there. And since there are red pumpkins in the centerpiece I created for my dining room table, I decided to add that to tie it in. And then above that I have the ribbon wreath that I made, and I have that in another video as well. So I'm really pleased with how this turned out. I think it's very cute. And the spiced pecans, which you can see right here, are really delicious. I've never actually made this particular recipe before, but I'm really happy with how they turned out. A big thank you to the Holiday Cookie Diva for hosting this challenge. I hope you'll try this recipe. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps me know that you like the content I'm providing. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, including cook with me's like this one and crafting, tablescaping, that sort of thing. And also remember to check out the remaining participants in the playlist. Thanks again for watching. Take care.